Integrating Authorize net-hosted payment form is a secure and efficient way to accept payments online. To start, you need to create an account with Authorize Net and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. First, log into your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Account section. Then click on API Credentials and Security Keys. Here you will find your API login ID and transaction key. Copy and save them securely as you will need them later. Next, you need to decide which type of hosted payment form you want to use. Either the simple checkout or the advanced integration method. The simple checkout is easy to implement and provides a basic payment form, while the advanced integration method offers more customization options. To integrate the hosted payment form, you will need to redirect your customers to the Authorize Net payment page. You can do this by creating an HTML form that posts to the Authorize Net payment URL. You will need to include your API login ID, the payment amount, and other relevant transaction details in the form. For example, your HTML form might look like this, with the form action set to the Authorize Net payment URL and the input fields for the API login ID, payment amount, and other details. You can also customize the appearance of the payment form by adding your own CSS styles and logos. Once the customer submits the payment form, they will be redirected to the Authorize Net payment page where they can enter their payment details. After the payment is processed, the customer will be redirected back to your website, where you can display a confirmation message and update your database with the transaction details. To handle the payment response, you will need to create a script that can parse the response from Authorize Net and update your database accordingly. You can use the Authorize Net SDK to simplify the process and handle errors and exceptions. Best practices for integrating Authorize Net hosted payment form include using a secure connection, validating user input, and handling errors and exceptions. You should also ensure that your payment form is accessible and user-friendly, and that you are compliant with relevant payment card industry security standards. In conclusion, integrating Authorize Net hosted payment form is a straightforward process that can be completed with a few lines of code. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a secure and efficient payment system that meets the needs of your customers and helps you to grow your business.